Students, now let's start with session 2, problems on gradient of a scalar field. If phi of x, we have some 3 problems I have listed out. So I'm going to solve in this session these 3 problems, and also we'll learn about geometrical meaning of this gradient of a vector field. Okay. Problems on gradient of a scalar field. Let us take the first problem and solve. So solutions, we'll start solving for the first problem. See, we have phi of x, y, z is 3x square y minus y cube z square. So phi of x, y, z is equal to 3x square y minus y cube z square, and they are asking us to find out what is the value of grad phi at the point 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. So this is the problem, right? So now let's start solving this. What is grad phi? Dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. So this is my grad phi. So let me find out what is dou phi by dou x from the phi value. So what do I get? Differentiation of this is with respect to x means 3 2s are 6x minus, there is no x term, so it becomes 0. What is dou phi by dou y? It is, again we have y here, so it is 3x square minus, here we have y cube, so it becomes 3y square z square. Now what is dou phi by dou z? There is no z term, so it becomes 0 minus 2y cube z. So let us substitute all these values in the grad phi. So what do I get? Grad phi is equal to 6x I cap plus 3x square minus 3y square z square j cap plus minus of 2y cube z k cap. Okay, this is plus. Now we need to find the value at 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. So what it will be? Substitute for x as 1. So it is 6 into 1 I cap plus 3 into minus, x is 1. So it is 1 square minus 3 into y is minus 2 the whole square, z is minus 1 the whole square. This whole thing into what? J cap plus into minus minus 2 into what is y cube? Minus 2 the whole cube, z is minus 1 k cap. So the answer is 6 I cap plus 1 square is 1, so 3, and here it is minus 2 square is 4, and this is again positive, so 4 3s are 12 minus 12, 3 minus 12 j cap minus of 2 into, this is again negative because since cube is there, 8 into minus 1, again minus into minus, it becomes positive k cap. So it is 6 I cap and 3 minus 12 is minus 9 j cap minus 8 to the 16 k cap. So this is the final answer for this. Similarly, let us solve now the second problem. What was the second problem? The question, we can see the question. If phi is x to the power of n plus y to the power of n plus z to the power of n, where n is a non-zero real constant, show that it is grad phi dot r vector is equal to n phi. So let us take, what is it? Phi is x to the power of n plus y to the power of n plus z to the power of n, and we need to find out what? Grad phi dot r vector is equal to n into phi. First, let us find out what is grad phi. What is that? Dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. This is phi. What is r vector? Position vector x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Now here let us find out what is dou phi by dou x, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1. What is dou phi by dou y? N into y to the power of n minus 1. Dou phi by dou z is n into z to the power of n minus 1. Now substituting for grad phi, what do I get? N into x to the power of n minus 1 into I cap plus n into y to the power of n minus 1 into j cap plus n into z to the power of n minus 1 into k cap. So here n is common, so let me take it out. X to the power of n minus 1 I cap, y to the power of n minus 1 j cap, z to the power of n minus 1 k cap. This is my grad phi. So I have to multiply grad phi dot r vector. So what do I get? I get it as grad phi, I know, n into x to the power of n minus 1 I cap plus y to the power of n minus 1 j cap plus z to the power of n minus 1 k cap into r vector is what? xi plus yj plus z k cap. Z k cap. Right, now multiply. I dot becomes 1, so n into x to the power of n minus 1 into x, so it is plus 1. I becomes 1 plus this n is common, so let me multiply y to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 plus z to the power of n minus 1 plus 1. So what do I get? Plus 1 minus 1 goes, and I have n into x to the power of n plus y to the power of n plus z to the power of n. And what is this? This is my phi. So it is n into phi. So I got it as grad phi dot r vector is n into phi. Now similarly, the third problem is, if a vector is a constant vector, I have to show that grad of a dot r vector is again a vector. We need to solve this. Grad of a dot r vector is a vector. So let us try to solve this one. So the third problem is, we need to show that what? Grad of a vector dot r vector is a vector, where a vector is a constant vector. We know what is r vector. Position vector is xi cap plus yj cap plus z k cap. And a vector, let us take it as a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. Now what will be a vector dot r vector? That will be a1x plus a2y plus a3z. That is nothing but my phi, some scalar quantity phi. Let us take. Now let us find out what is grad phi for this. So what will be this? Grad phi will be, will be the grad phi for this? So what do we know? That is dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Right. So if I differentiate this with respect to x, what I am going to get? Dou phi by dou x is just a1, dou phi by dou y is a2, and dou phi by dou z is a3. Therefore, grad of a dot r vector will be equal to what? Grad phi. And that grad phi is equal to what? a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. Grad dou phi by dou x is a1 into I cap, dou phi by dou y is a2 into j cap plus dou phi by dou 3 is a3 into k cap. So this is equal to what? A vector, and hence we have proved that grad of a vector r vector is equal to